My name is Giulia Marinelli. I'm from Italy. I'm a senior at Menlo College, and this summer I had the opportunity to work with the Menlo College Conferences team as a coordinator. These experiences have helped me building my future career by adding skills that I was not expecting, and they gave me new insights and new ideas of what I want to do in the future. Some skills that I picked up as a Menlo student are definitely teamwork, leadership, and being able to be around people. Some advices that I would give to a Menlo student who's preparing for an internship is definitely reaching out to professors, students, friends to ask for help and advices, but also not being scared of making mistakes and being brave and just taking the opportunities as they come.